Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here the full mechanics from MGH, the Gundam Aerial Permet Score 6, and we got here this very nice matted printout for the box, but unfortunately the box is really dilapidated and damaged. So it's very damaged here due to the packaging and delivery service from China. But still, I really like the appearance of this Gundam Aerial that is in front of the box art. Okay, so let's open the kit here, and there we go. You can see the parts. So we got so many pieces here. We got this pack here, and this small pack here with this kind of shiny blue for the Permet score, and we got this frames here. Okay, so we got 3 packs for this kit, and the instruction manual is really small, and this is just the same with the Gundam Aerial regular version. So nothing much with this kit, and there you can see how this thing is to assemble. This is very easy, and I already did assemble the original one, the regular one from Bandai, but now I am just intrigued with the color of the Permet Score 6, so I will assemble this, and I bought this for the price of 700 plus in peso. So there we go. So let's discuss and review the runners before we build the kit. So we got here runner A for this blue parts here, and I find that the plastic here is really glossy. Yeah, it's very different with the Bandai regular release that I built 2 years ago, which is a bit matte and not shiny, unlike this one. It's really cool. As you can see there, it's shiny. So it's runner A. Then we got this runner B here for the white parts, and even the white parts here is a bit glossy, which is very cool. I really like this kind of glossiness on the kit. And we got this runner A here. There we got some glittery clear blue plastic here for the Permet Score 6. There, it's very glittering. And we got this runner E for the gray parts, metallic gray parts. Then we got runner D here, 2 sets of runner D for this metallic gray parts, inner frame parts here. There. And we got this shining white parts, runner C2 for the armor pieces, and another runner C2 with runner C1 here for the shining parts here. Okay, for the small parts, we got this apple green runner A for this accents, and this one for the eyes. Yep, this is a bit glittery also, or shiny. Then we got runner F1 and F2 for this kind of reddish, shiny reddish or creamish like that. I don't know what color is this. And we got runner F3 for this clear blue no, this is the glittery blue parts for the permit. And this is what I like. The beam saber effect parts are really nice compared with the blue one, the blue beam saber from the regular release. That's not I don't like the color, but this one I much like this kind of green because it looks like the Mountain Dew bottle, but now this is much glittery or shiny. So for the decals here, we got this kind of decals sets. We got this water slide decals. There we go. And we got the sticker decals, but unfortunately the sticker decals are crumpled and some pieces there are already knocked out. And there, it's very nice. I might utilize both because I really like the symbol, those symbols. I might use those symbols there. So let's build this kit once and for all.
Yo, what's up guys? And so we got the finished product of this full mechanics Gundam Aerial Permet Score 6, and yeah, it's fantastically fine and very elegant. In terms of color, I'm not that fan of the ash shaded white because the white here is not that white to me. This is a bit grayish, maybe because of the permit score transformation or the activation. So even the red here became a bit brownish, and the yellow became apple green, something like that. The shade is really different compared with the regular or the original color scheme. Honestly, it's unfair for me to comment on this color because I didn't watch yet the Gundam Witch from Mercury, because I'm not a fan. To be honest, I'm not a fan of the Witch from Mercury. I don't like the pilot. I don't like her appearance, so I'm not that fan of being hyped with that anime. But anyway, I just like the Gundam to be included in my collection. So it's also unfair for me to compare it with Bandai because I don't have here with me the full mechanics from Bandai, the original one, although I did some unbox review for that, but the actual review I didn't made it because I sent it to Germany, and maybe if I go to Germany, that's the time I can review that thing. But for now, I got this JMS full mechanics here. So all I can say is the kit is really fine in terms of building. Honestly, I built this kit while working, while I'm in my nurse EMS duty in PRC. So while my duty without patient, I am building this kit. And what I observe is this kit doesn't have any fitting issues. Imagine I only brought with me here this cutters and this nipper without any tools. So without those files, those cutters like that. So I just snap built this kit without any use of tools, but all I can say is this is perfectly fine. Even beginners can build this kit without hassle and hardship in their part. So I finished this kit about 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours, because I made myself built this quickly because the exam from the PRC office is only 8 or 6 hours like that. So I need 2 hours without interruption to finish this kit, and I did it. Okay, so let's go for the head here. Honestly, I much like the blue, the Permet score transformation. Instead of red, I much like the blue color. And the plastic, the clear plastic that covers those blue, I really like it because it has the glittery. It's a clear plastic with glitter injections, blue glitter injections on that. So that's a unique aspect for that. So it adds character, or it adds effect, but I can appreciate that because of this shiny blue plastic part inside, so you can't appreciate the glittery effect. But if you're going to put it in the light, I wish you can see it. There you go. You can see those shiny parts there, something like that. Okay, so the head is really nice. The head can rotate 360 degrees. Okay, and this is the same also with the Bandai full mechanics. The experience I can say whenever I play that, it's the same with this JMS. Okay, so the arms, it's not that tight, so it can rotate 360 degrees. It can raise up like that, and there you go. The armor pieces for the shoulder armor can raise like that, and this is a double jointed elbow, so it can call this. There you go. It can bend like that, but this part here on the top, maybe let's remove first the shield. So the part here on the top joint is a bit tight, so like that. Oops, the hands removed there. So the joints are really tight, to be honest, and the forearm can bend or can rotate. So there, if you make this gray, put in place in front, can bend like that, and there, 180-degree bend, and can rotate like this, but still can bend through the use of the upper elbow joint. And this is very bizarre. If you bend like this and bend like that, there, the arms can bend more like that. So this is perfect for the shield. So there we go. If you place the shield here like this, okay, which is very tight. Oops. Anyway, just put the shield in this manner, and there we go. You can do some shield guard protection further. There we go. But it's awkward to see there on the on that angle. Okay. Okay. So for the waist is the one problematic on this part, because the ball joint, I don't know if I need to sand the socket there, or extend further the joint on the ball joint there inside, because it keeps on falling apart whenever I play. So like this there, it's very easy to detach. So I don't know what's the problem. So maybe I need to put some remedy on this area here. It should fit completely there, but it doesn't pop off uh, from this part, cannot pop off completely. So to make it fully inserted on this socket. So anyway, let's just remove it first, and let's go with the lower half. So the lower half here, the legs can split on this manner, like that, and there it can kick forward, provided that you need to raise this tip or this skirt armor here, like that, and it can kick backward like that. So there we go. The knees can bend, double jointed, very nice bend, as you can see. There we go. There's a separating gimmick there for this yellow piece here, and there it can go back or return back to its original form when you straighten up here. So there we go. We got this ankles. The ankles can move side to side like that, and it can do some plantar extend and plantar flex. And the toes has a very dynamic pose like this. Can raise up like that, and also the toe can do some extensive flex like that, and that's it. For the shield, I will not review much for the shield, because honestly I much like the shield like this. I don't like removing or detaching everything here and just combine it with the kit like that, where in the anime this shield acts as like a fin funnels like that. In the Universal Century, it's like the fin funnels, and it shoots enemy. It shoots beam from this parts, which is I am not a fan, to be honest. So I much like the shield to be a shield on itself. So there should be attached there. Okay. So there we go. We got the upper half and the lower half combined, but it's still not secure. I might use some modification on that part. By the way, the hand, I didn't replace the hand yet with the Dalin decals, because the shipment hasn't arrived yet. So I just maintain the original hand for a while, then I will replace it with the Dalin decal hand later on. Okay, so there we go. This is the full mechanics Gundam aerial from JMS, and sad to say, don't have the full mechanics original version from Bandai for me to compare the height and other aspects for this, but in the later I will do that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this, and see you next time.